Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, it is almost time for the big showdown between the two legends, Bunty and Beanie, over there on Instagram. Well, probably by the time I upload that video, yeah, the clash would have already started. But here we go on. Before the clash, right now while you record this video, everybody is anxious, everybody is excited to see the outcome, right? But me have a little treat for you right now. Bounty Killa, the Ground Godzilla, I go down memory lane, how the friendship come about, and probably even him talk about the feud between him and Beanie back in the day too. All of that in the video here where I come right now. See? So watch out, man. Me done with the bag of talking. Make we take a listen to what the Ground Godzilla, Bounty Killa, have to say right now.
At the time, it was the big sound in Jamaica was like Stereograph. It was Metro Media, Stone Love. You have Gemini, Jammy's Superpower, Studio Mix, Heat Wave, all of those sound systems. Youthman Promotion, Silver Arc. So those are the systems that I grew up with.
Right. And how did you link with Beanie?
Well, I used to see Beanie at the studio. I met Beanie at the studio. When I go to Jammy's studio, I met Beanie. Beanie was a popular teenage star. He wasn't a big popular artist, but he was known all over the island as Beenie Man, the little boy sensation DJ. So we as little boy always say Beanie as an inspiration too. We as little boy who want to be little boy stars.
Right.
So we go to the studio and we saw Beanie and say, oh, that's Beanie Ray. And Beanie's from Waterhouse where the studio is also. So we met Beanie and we and Beanie become friends, associates. And then we start to record, and Beanie started to use my style. Because that's not the style Beanie used to use. But Beanie's a man who can DJ like everybody from back in the days. But Beanie did a song called Mama, your son, him a go die, 21 cup of shot, and that was a replica of Hagaya spine that we die, cup of shot in them. And the fact he did it on the same answer rhythm, it just sounds like a makeover to me.
Yeah.
So that's the song that really triggered me to want to prove to Beanie that this style is my style, man. So that's how me and Beanie really came in contact and the competition started.
So is that what you meant when you say, long time Beanie, I want to crush you like a cockroach? Because
all of that is just spontaneous talk. You know, that's how you do a battle. You got to have a lot of shit to say. Even if it's not like that, you got to just say shit to connect the crowd.
That was the iconic, you know, one of the iconic clashes you and Beanie had was in the Sting 93 clash, you know, and, you know, you guys, that's, you know, so, but when, is that when the battle really started between you two?
No, it started at Stone Love anniversary a few weeks before that.
Okay.
In Portmore, it was at Stone Love anniversary where we first square off.
Okay.
But that was a premature thing because that wasn't a clash, that wasn't a stage show, that was Stone Love anniversary. And everybody was just going to pay their respect and sing a few tunes.
Okay.
And then I went up and said, I'm going to perform before everybody because I had somewhere else to go. Beanie was at Teen Splash at Coney Park. He wasn't at the party when I came, so he thought that everybody performed before. But nobody never performed. It was me first who went on the stage, want to do my thing quick and go. So when Beanie reached the venue and saw me on the stage, in his head, he felt like if Bounty Killa performing, the show has to be finishing. So he think that, oh, the show finished, so he might run up to come perform alongside me.
No.
Because he thinks that the show was finishing. So he want to catch a piece. Them time I have him up for singing Mama, your son, I go die, we sound like a shot. So me I say, me not in that boy, yeah. So him come up on the stage now, you know, me I take this opportunity now to show the people and say, listen, that boy, you pirate my style and I kill me, I go kill him. So that's how me and Beanie square off at Stone Love anniversary and we post stop it. Because people never really want to battle at the anniversary.
Right.
So the fact people saw that the few weeks before Sting, they start to build up a momentum, Bounty and Beanie rivalry. Some people say Beanie win, some people say Bounty win because it never finished. It stopped prematurely. So everybody have their own expectation what would have happened. So the word in the street, Bounty and Beanie clash at Stone of Anniversary. Beanie kill Bounty, Bounty kill Beanie. Word in there. So Sting promoters love that, what they heard. So they plan to capitalize on it. So they make sure set the show where me and Beanie perform back to back. And right as Beanie finish, I should go on because they want me to go on. And it was Sting 93 now, when Beanie on the stage performing and he was trying to call up Liquor Vicious. And then the crowd said, we're not having it. We don't want a Liquor Vicious. And Beanie made the crucial mistake and tell the crowd, call who no want. And that's when the crowd starts saying, Bounty, 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 Bounty. And I was saying, you need to come off of the stage now. The people them said they want Bounty. Why he's still on the stage? And the crowd kept saying Bounty and Beanie remains on the stage. And that's my name calling. It's my time. It's my turn. And anyone on the stage gonna get dominate when I come out. So when I stepped on the stage, it was still Beanie. So I said, people dead, because this guy must want to die. You hear they said Bounty and you're still out there. You want to face the killer. So I just went out and bring the onslaught. So that's how it started. But we never booked to clash. We never planned to clash. We never get paid to clash. The greatest clash of all time that people talking about now was a free clash.
Yeah, you did the
I never got a fee.
You did.
So that's why clashes is even different today, because people thinking about the fee before they do the competition. Right. And the fee and the payment is more important than the battle to some people today.
Right.
No, the battle was the most important shit. Fuck the payment. I kill for fun, not the funds. I do it for the fun, not the funds.
So tomorrow, look, we talked about your competition with Beanie, but you know, what do you respect about Beanie?
I respect Beanie as a very, very great artist and a good person and a person who have a lot of resilience. Beanie been through so many stuff, man. And for Beanie to be standing here today, we have to give him credit because they give him a lot of hard time in his life. I've been through a lot too, but I think Beanie been through twice as I. Yeah, but Beanie is a great, consistent artist, and every artist from his era looked up to Beanie in some way, or being motivated by him, or influenced, or inspired, however.
I have to give you respect because, you know, you're one of the people in the culture that stand up to say, let's give respect now while people are still here.
Yeah, respect is to be given. He has to do that. What you want to Caesar, you got to give him what you want to Caesar. Right. And that's how you get your credit to, by giving other people's their credit.
Right.
So you don't make credit run short. Make credit keep crediting. Yeah.
I mean, that's very big of you, Beanie, because Bounty, because, you know, it's like you said earlier, people change towards you, and some people, you know, come up and you're friends with people one day and tomorrow you're not. And then people talk about haters in the game. And but you seem to stick to what you believe and you say. And that's what Beanie said he respected about you also. Like,
yeah, you got to be real to yourself. You got to have some core. And that's me. I'm just who I am. And I never try to adjust, and I don't want to be anything else. I'm proud of myself and I'm happy with myself. I'm not the best person in the world, but I'm a good one. And I never want to be the best person. The best person is God. I'm a human being. I can be anything human be. I'm a being. I can be.
Well, being the next person better than God is not a bad place to be. So
that's why I'm a ground God. I'm next to God.
And you know, respect for you every time. Before we let you go, do you have any words for Beanie tomorrow?
Well, I just want to tell Beanie, come prepared, brother. Don't be scared.
I see him dropping comments.
Pull it, yo, people. You know, it's gonna be fun with the musical guns. So
I I see him dropping comments right here in this live with you. So he's hearing you right now.
Yeah, most definitely. You know he's gonna be listening. Why not? Sure. But he knows me. He knows I'm gonna come out. He know me. I'm a warlord. I can't help it. But I just want to say big up to the Versus TV family. It's a good thing for both culture. Right. The R&B, the hip hop, the neo soul, the reggae, the dancehall, all musical genre. It's a good thing, especially in this quarantine time, where people has less activity outdoor. We have to be staying inside. So this is a big thing. So we just want to big up to Swiss Beat and Timberland and the Versus TV crew and Boomshot and Vibes Magazine. And I want to say hail up to P. Diddy and the Ciroc crew, because that will be my sponsor. Ciroc tomorrow.
For Bounty Sunday.
From Ciroc. Yes, a big up to the We The Best family. DJ Khaled and Diddy. You know tomorrow, you all with it. So it's all about the big battle tomorrow. Bounty Killer Beanie Man on the Versus TV. So boom shot, let's go. Pop shot. Bullet, kaboom. Yo.
Respect. Hello. Every time, Bounty.
Every time, Mama. Bless up yourself and big up Rob Kenner and the whole family at Boom Shot.
Well, all right then, that was sweet. No, it was a good conversation just listening to the Godzilla. I go down memory lane, right? Watch you know, me done with the bag of long talking, you know, because the clash don't start by now. Me sure of that. So here what, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So anytime we upload a video, you will get notified, all right? And before me leave, you tell me something in the comment section. Who you think I go win the clash tonight? Bunty or Beanie? Talk to me down in the comment section. Or even if you watch this after the clash done, more you tell me who you feel like should have win or if the winner is the right one for win. Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable. Me gone over Instagram, go and watch the clash.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.